to drill holes. Hello. Welcome to part 4 of the Cyberchopper build. Stay tuned, enjoy it. That worked out quite nicely actually. I saw that on EV West where they cut down a big electric motors shaft like that, so that's cool. Now the next plan is to grind that down using the same technique and to get it to that diameter. So I'm going to put on a, ooh, look what I did there. That works quite nicely. I'm going to put on the grinding disc and whittle that thing down. Let's see how that goes. Thank you very much EV West for showing me how to do that. That is great. This thing fits so nicely. Okay, so what we do, we give it a bit of a weld around there, and now I have to figure out if I can actually get the motor off here. What I've decided to do instead is to drill holes in the top of my bracket and then bolt it down. You'll see now, but there the holes are, there the corresponding holes are, and I think it'll just make it easier to install the motor, etc. So there I've got the box that holds the little bearing nicely bolted down. That worked out nicer than I expected, and I may even be able to use these mounting points for something fun. Excellent. Check my Cybertruck. How cool is that, Elon? So I've welded in the gussets there. My welding is hideous, but we know that. So I've definitely ruined the effect of this one-sided swing arm. But it's okay because this gusset is hidden by the seat and that gusset there is hidden by the motor. So the only two you'll see is that one and that one. And actually that's not too bad. Once again, that's my genuine reaction to this bike. Whew. All right, so mounted the bracket for the motor and got the back wheel turning. Dried out the motor as well, so that is pretty good. I'm quite happy with all of this. I think in the next episode we will tackle putting the front on. I'll attach an extension cord and maybe we can go for a little bit of a ride. But I am tired now. Great. Thanks for watching, guys. Obviously, I'd appreciate it if you liked, subscribed, clicked your notification bell. You know, all of that. It all helps. It keeps me motivated. Excellent. Thank you so much. I'm gonna sign off by saying, let's get ratchet.